place it would fit. Kind of too late when I realized it, you know. You see the ones beside your foot, right?
Mm-hmm.
You just pull them on out.
This is our most adventurous one.
Huh?
And the mouthiest. I can take audio
Number
on here.
4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And this is Mama, otherwise known as Lovey.
So who what?
Kitties.
I
Uh-oh, I feel one crawling behind me.
This
Where'd he go?
Here is going to make the perfect litter box for them. Very shallow. Put them out with, boy, your poor brother's room's going on national whatever, huh?
Oh. Okay, I'm going to put you back down on the floor. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, seems we've lost one behind the bed. Yes, those are my toes. Yes, toes. Alright, I have 3 of them at my feet. That's quite hilarious, actually. Oh! Here, kitty kitties. Oh, hush. And it's another one of the females. Okay. Oh, quiet. This is number 4. He's our loudmouth of the bunch, and also the most adventurous. Hey, where do you think you're going? Oh no. Yeah. Where's the black one? Nope. And the itty bitty little black one. Firstborn, as you can see, he's got stripes, or yeah, stripes. Hey. Say hi. You're making your national debut. I'm gonna go put you back down with Mama. Say bye-bye. Oh, there you go. As you can see, sweetie, they're all quite cute. Aww. See, they haven't been playing. He's also a little shithead. Hey, hey, hey. Be nice. You know, it's quite amusing watching kittens fight. Anywho, it's got a bit longer than I expected. I'll send more later, sweetie. Oopsie. Say bye-bye, kittens. You know, I may have to edit this. This is quite amusing to watch. Looks like the girls might be getting into it next. Boys are such bad influences. He's gonna be a stinker. Time to go. Bye-bye.